In the history of India, the last silver coins of British era was introduced in the region of Albert Frederick Arthur George, who was popularly known as George VI King. He was born in the region of his great-grandmother Queen Victoria and named after his great-grandfather Albert Prince Consort. Before moving forward, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. As the second son of King George V, he was not expected to inherit the throne and spent his early life in the shadow of his elder brother Edward VIII, who was in the throne just for 326 days. Then George VI King officially became the Emperor of India in 1936. The coins with his portrait introduced for the first time in 1938 and produced until 1947, in which from 1938 to 1945 the coins were silver made, and the year 1946 and 47 were nickel made. The coins produced in 1938 and 39 are extremely rare, as they were the last full silver coins of British India. Their silver content is about 91%. They cost around 3 to 4 lakh in Indian currency or $4,000 to $5,000 in US currency. The coins produced in 1940 to 1945 were half silver or 50% silver. The coins were divided into 1 rupee, half rupee and 1 by 4 rupee. Half rupee and 1 by 4 rupee is similar in nature with 50 paisa and 25 paisa of Republic India respectively, but their value is much more higher. 1 rupee weighs 11.66 grams, half rupee weighs 5.84 grams, quarter rupee weighs 2.9 grams. On the over side of these coins, within circle, value, date and lettering India in English and Urdu, and outside circle wreath made of roses thistle, shamrock leaves and lotus flowers, all within a tooth border. And on the reverse side, left facing George VI King's portrait surrounded by his name. 1946 and 47 year coins also divided into 1 rupee, half rupee and quarter rupee, in which Indian tiger facing left, lettering India and date below. Surrounding this is the value in 3 languages: English, Devanagari and Persian. These nickel coins are also of special interest to collectors, since that was the last year British issue coins were circulated in India. Just after the death of George VI King in 1952, his daughter Queen Elizabeth II inherited the throne. The first coin containing her portrait introduced in 1953, and then year passes and her portrait changes from time to time.